Audio sync. Audio sync. Audio sync. Audio sync. What do you think? All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna be doing a quick unboxing of some cleaning supplies that I got for my tires and wheels for the Ford Raptor. These were based off a YouTube channel called Obsessed Garage. I really like the content that Matt puts out over there, and he seems like a pretty honest guy, and it's an auto detailing channel. So I figured I would give it a go and order the products that he has and see how they work out for me. Let's get into it. Oh, I just cut up my shipping invoice, which reminds me I spent about 50 bucks on all of this stuff. So I got this spray bottle. This is from Shine Supply and their product Wise Guy Tire Cleaner. There we go. That all I got from them? Oh, a return package. That's pretty legit. I mean, I don't know why they expected me to return their product, but well, okay. There's that. That corner, can't see. All right, so we have the Stoner Tar Care Tar and Sap Remover. Blam! Next we have CarPro Pearl. This is supposed to give a satin finish, not like a tire wet. I used to put tire wet on my vehicles, but it'd fling everywhere. I wasn't using the best quality stuff, so I wanted to spend a little bit of money to see if I could get a clean look that looked nice but would stay on. Apparently this stuff's supposed to be pretty legit. And scrub brush. I think this is a Tough cleaning brush, if I recall. Maybe it's just a standard one. And then this is a brush applicator. I know Matt on his channel, if you watch through some of his videos, had these Adams foam pads, but for his truck tires, and I think he got this off of his Facebook group page, somebody had recommended kind of painting it on the tires. So I'm gonna see if I can, get up in there and paint just like him, and then do the smooth wipe off with a towel. What else do we got here? I'll read that later. So, full transparency with you guys. The Shine Supply Wise Guy, that was 20 bucks and the sticker just fell. The rest, the Terminator, CarPro Pearl brush and applicator brush, 35, 60 bucks, not 50 bucks. There you have it. Let's get outside and get on the tires. First, the Terminator was sprayed on, fairly dry tire, followed by the Wise Guy Shine, and then the Pearl, which I don't have out here, but I'll bring out. Apparently this is paint safe. This is supposed to get pretty much any tar or sap or anything that's accumulated on these tires. I'm not wiping it off, I'm spraying it off with water. Oh wow, so much like oil and stuff just fell. I just saw it on the concrete. I don't think the camera picked it up, but that was nasty. All right. I mixed this. The bottle says do 2 to 1. I did more of like a 1.5 to 1. So this is probably a fairly higher concentration. As you scrub, if it turns this kind of brownish, that's how you know it's dirty. And I haven't even began to scrub. I was also checking on the forums when I was researching tires. I've been thinking about doing some different wheels than these stock ones. I wanted to do like maybe a gold or a bronze, because I feel like everybody just does black. But then I'm probably gonna end up doing black just because it'll look the cleanest, I think. I'm not sure. I've been looking at some method wheels. We'll see. But also another thing too I'm gonna check is these wheels are supposed to be torqued to 150 foot-pound of torque. And I was reading some forums that from the factory, guys are saying that these are at 100. So after I wash these up, I'm gonna check the torque on these and get them to 150 if they're not. All right. I'm like almost wondering if I should do a second pass, a 2 rinse. You know, I'm going to. Just real quickly to see if it still turns brown. Oh. Not really changing color. I'm gonna do this real quickly. Looks like 1 pass suffices. Dry these wheels off quickly to help with the sun. I get my blower. Need to swap that battery out. That was going slow. Grab a towel. I'll finish the rest with the towel. Right. I just had to quickly wash out an old spray bottle. All right, so I'm just gonna paint this on essentially. Yeah, this is really streaky, but apparently when you go to wipe it off, it has a nice satin finish to it, so. Clean towel, where you at? I'm not trying to take it all off. Just clean out in the between the knobbies. All right. looks pretty good. I'm gonna do the others and then get some aftershots to show you. All right, sorry for the delay, but we had a afternoon appointment with the occupational therapist at the hospital. And I had to like quickly throw all of my stuff in the garage to jump in Brittany's car so we could make that appointment. We're just now getting back a couple hours later, but the tire, the one I was able to finish, turned out great. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna check the torque on these lug nuts. Owner's manual says the torque for these wheels is 150 foot-pound of torque. And let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, definitely not. They're probably 100 foot-pound, like a lot of people said. I mean, I have no idea how they're able to verify. I need to research it more. That it is 100. Maybe they set their torque wrench at 100 to see. And then I just went straight with the 150. But now they're torqued to factory spec. Thanks for watching. I would say just based off of this one wheel, I'm pretty happy with, I mean, how these turned out. It's got a nice finish, really clean. If you're looking to do something similar, I ordered all the stuff for about 50 bucks and I have plenty that'll last me multiple cleanings. I'd highly recommend it. I'm happy with the results, so I'm gonna get at it before it gets too dark and too cold, and I'll catch you guys next time.